Hello, this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. Welcome back. So a lot of people got problems from their daily use shampoo or body wash, and they got itchy, dryness of the hair or skin. Especially when you have a sensitive skin, you will feel the burden when you after shower or wash. And today I'm gonna show you how to make a botanical mild soap, the shampoo or the body wash. So you can make very easily. You can just take a couple minutes to make your own the body wash or shampoo with the Castile soap and fresh made hydrosol. So by using ADI, you can make any of the hydrosol from herbs and rose, lavender, eucalyptus. So then you can use your fresh made hydrosol to make your own special shampoo or body wash, or make your special products. Now let's make it. To make botanical Castile soap, the shampoo, so we made the hydrosols. I use the peppermint hydrosol and use the Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. I try to find the plain one, no fragrance one, but I couldn't find, only the peppermint flavor. So that's matching, so my peppermint. And for dry hair, I want to add a little bit of glycerin. This is infused glycerin. It's a hibiscus infused glycerin. It's wonderful. It has help moisturize, especially when you have a dry skin or dry hair. And also add a little bit of aloe vera gel. So the ratio is 1:1, hydrosol 1 and soap 1. So I'm using a pump, the bottle is a pump. It's a 16 ounce, it's 2 cups. So 1 cup hydrosol, peppermint hydrosol, and 1 cup soap. And just add together. First add the soap. Then the peppermint hydrosol. Okay. So the glycerin, if you have a dry hair or dry skin, you can add it. For these 2 cups, I do half tablespoon. You can see the color of the glycerin. It's beautiful red color because they infuse with the hibiscus. Hibiscus is rich of vitamin C. So if you don't like, you know, the red color, you can just add the plain glycerin. You know, this color will be rinsed off after you wash, so it won't be a problem. And the last is the aloe vera. Because when you're using the glycerin, adding the aloe vera can help balance, you know, the drying effect. It's 2 times the amount we add the glycerin. Stir well. Just for like a botanical shampoo, you don't need to add like a glycerin or aloe vera. Just soap and hydrosol, that would be very good. But if you want to have you know, actual benefits like keep the hair moisturized or keep the body or skin moisturized after washing, and you can add the glycerin and the aloe vera. So always stir well before you bottle it. Herbs and flowers are not only good for looking, but also it brings us so many benefits from the skin to hair, our, you know, the whole body. And if you like the video, like our channel, share, subscribe, and become a member. Support us to build the beautiful herbal world. So I'm gonna bottle it. If you have the bubbles, you know, that may bother your bottling, you can use alcohol. Just see the bubble will gone quickly. You don't have to, but if you, especially when you are making soaps, if you have bubbles and that bother you, you can use this little trick and just add it. I can smell it, the peppermint. It's really lovely. And if you want to, you know, stronger, you can add a little bit of the peppermint essential oil. So that can make it even better. So, yep, the soap is ready to use. Your botanical soap, mild, and also give you the natural scent. And especially the hydrosol is also very good for during the summer. You know, help you cool down when you use it. Thank you for watching. If you feel it's helpful, like the video, subscribe channel, become a member. This is Dr. Leo. See you next time.